Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change the turn signal bulbs, which are located down here in your 2016 Subaru Outback. These are pretty easy to change. You'll notice that on the passenger side, there's going to be a big gray plastic plug, and just below it and kind of beside it, there's another round plastic plug. That's going to be your turn signal bulb. There, we got some light in there to give you a better view, but here's the socket right here. So just simply turn that counterclockwise and pull it straight out. You can see we've got an amber bulb on here. Now this is a single filament, and it's going to be 7440, I think. Simply pull that straight out. And we're going to be installing these Outback LED lights. These are either 3157, 3156, and they're an amber / white switchback bulb. So we're going to give these a try. Sorry, I read that wrong. 7443 / 7440. These things are pretty cool. They're full aluminum housing, built-in integrated cooling fans in the top, and they should be super bright. So I'm really interested to see what these things look like. We've been waiting a while for them to show up. So simply grab the socket, pop this thing in. Maybe this way. Hold on. That's not right. The contacts don't match. Sorry, my bad. The contacts do line up. Yeah. All right. Just put this thing in here. Now there's little tabs that are on the actual light socket, so we need to line those up with the housing. And then we're going to turn it to lock it into place. Maybe, if I can get this. There we go. I just had it around 180 degrees backwards. Okay, those are installed. Let's turn these on and see what they look like. All right, there you go. You can see the difference. This one on the left is the Outback LED upgrade, and on the right, we've just got our regular halogen bulb. There's quite a difference in brightness, but you'll also notice that it's like a crisper on-off signal light versus this that sort of fades in and out. I really like this. It's much more modern. And seeing as it's a lot brighter, you're definitely going to get the attention of other people. So I'd say that's like a plus for as far as safety goes. But yeah, that's pretty much it on how to remove and replace the turn signal bulbs on your 2016 Outback. If you want some of these bulbs for yourself, check the link in the description. Outback's got you covered for all light bulbs. Doesn't matter for headlights, brake lights, turn signals, license plate lights. They got them all. You got any questions, throw them in the comments. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if it did help, and also give us a subscribe if you really want to. It helps us out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.